Hi everyone. Today our topic is ATS. ATS stands for Application Tracking System, or you can say Applicant Tracking System. So why it is used? Nowadays everyone are going for interviews carrying a resume. Okay? But there are hundreds of resumes are coming. Okay? So the companies have started this ATS to filter the good resumes. Yes, it has some points to pick up some resumes. Out of 100 resumes, they pick only 3 or 4, maximum 5, depending on the system. Let's check how it is. ATS filters the resume. Just I've written like weak resume and good resumes. Okay, to understand. If a resume is not formatted well, or it is not using the right keywords, it will not pass from this ATS. If you have the right keywords and the formatting, then your resume is passed to the ATS. How will you check it? Firstly, ATS scan your resume and see how keywords are there, how it is formatted, okay, how it is alignment, what kind of keywords, phrases, words which they have written according to the company's job profile. Just understand, according to the company job profile. Okay, make a note of it. Okay, they set a standard, minimum standard of 70%. Okay, whenever you see Naukri Master or something, there is a line when you are filling everything, your educational details, your experience, everything. It shows completeness 60%. 70%, 73%, 80%, 95%. Okay, you see, right? There is a score mark. In the same way, they set some standard, maybe 70 or above it will be 80. We don't know. Okay, minimum, just think it as like 70. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to pass in ATS. If you are not pausing, many people, whenever they say that, okay, we have submitted the resume in Naukri, Monster, Indeed, and everything, but we are not getting calls because your resume is not going or not passing through this ATS system. It is rejected. Maybe various things. Maybe your resume is not having good format or right keywords or phrases. Okay, we'll see. Make your resume simple and clear. Don't make it complicated. So whenever some people, they use the jargon words. Okay, if you use it some jargon words, ATS system may not understand. But if you keep your resume simple and clear, good looking, without making the full text, just precise, make it precise so that it will understand everything. Just I've given 3 examples according to my idea. Okay, just understand the concept. Okay, and don't think that something is not matching or something else, because according to me, just I've given example. Just understand the concept so that you will know it. I've taken sample of like title, let it be, it is for medical representative. Okay, job description for these companies, they have given that lead generation, meeting 4 to 5 hospitals per day, presentation skills. They said that they want these skills, and salary is 2 to 3 lakhs, experience 1 to 2 years. And for example, your resume, there are 2 resumes here. Okay, one is having lead generation, and here they have like 3 to 4. He has written this and this. Here he has not written anything. He has written like good presentation skills. He missed the lead generation and this, and I have written some other thing. So these will be rejected, even though he has mentioned these. Here he has mentioned the job description of above, what is given by the company as mentioned in this resume. So it will be picked by the ATS. Okay. Second one, title software developer. Job description for that company, they have given the Java, HTML5, JavaScript, Java framework, whatever it may be, salary and experience. Okay, if you are not following this bracket, the ATS will not track. This is for one particular company, so they'll set ATS to maybe 70 or 80, just the good resumes, and your resume should contain these keywords, maybe title. Okay, if they have given software developer and you're writing software engineer, okay, but try to maximize for that company, write synonyms. Don't make it complicated and write 4 or 5 different things. No, software developer or software engineer. Okay, what is there given by the company. The job description is the most important thing. These most of the people are losing this. If they have one skill, they are mentioning Python, I know, data science or C, C++. No use. There is an additional advantage when you go for company. Okay, in the interview you can say if you have other skills you can go for it, but until unless don't mention. Only mention this job description profile completely, and if you're missing anything from it, ATS system will not track. It will just think that it's a weak resume and you will not get any calls. So mention all this which is there. If you have that skills, apply for it, otherwise no, don't waste your time. Okay, again I have written like one more thing: HR manager, job description, performance management system, recruitment, leaves, payroll, attendance, etc., and salary 6 to 10 lakhs per annum and experience 5 to 8 years. Then these job description you need to have in your resume 100%. If you are missing this, then it will be different. Your resume will not be scanned through ATS and you will not get calls. That is a major reason. The titles, the job description, sometimes the salary you're mentioning, sometimes in some cases, because we have a lot of things in ATS, not only one, this is the some part, and like salary sometimes you may mention 4 lakhs or something else, but ATS they have given the code that only for these 2 to 3 lakhs, and if it is above 4 lakhs it will get cancelled. Maybe when you negotiate at the interview level, that is different, but first it should pass the ATS. Okay, like experience, and here 4 to 5 lakhs and you're mentioning like 2 lakhs or something else, no. And if they have more experience, they will not take it. They're asking maybe 2 to 3 or 3 years, okay, and below that or above that they don't take it, because it's a system. It will track only this, what is given, the directions given by this company. Okay, the content, according to that it will filter to just reduce the burden for them, for the HR manager people. Okay, understand? Whatever, the only one point is whatever the company is giving, the job description, title or salary or experience, whatever, just try to include everything in your resume. It should have that keywords or key phrases, whatever it may be. Okay, it should have. Without having, or you're missing some elements of these, like 95 to 99% your resume get rejected and you won't get calls. Be cautious and try to include this, so that you'll go through the ATS and you'll get calls, and definitely you're going to get a job. Okay, and if you have any kind of doubts, please let me know in the comment section and we'll talk more about this. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, thank you and see you again. Bye.